Hey guys, I think you're wondering why I have these nerdy glasses on. It's because I will be shooting airsoft guns. This is a target right here. And, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shoot, and then this target right here has sticky foam, so my cameraman will just tape me, and then, well, my cameraman will tape me, and then after I'm done shooting, it'll show everything right here. Wow, I haven't done this in a long time.
Pero ahí en la primera gaveta, en donde están los papeles de la cooperativa, ahí yo creo que ahí fue que yo puse todo, para que los consiguiera más rápido, porque están con los papeles de asumetría. Wow. Sí.
Okay, guys, I think that's episode 1. I will be shooting with my other gun next episode. This is all where I hit. Everywhere but the 10.